How to properly shut down a computer ICT for beginners, avoid damage and protect your files by shutting down the right way. Hi there, and welcome back to our ICT class. Today, let's learn a simple but essential skill. How to properly shut down your computer or laptop. It may seem easy, but doing it the wrong way can cause problems. Let's do it the right way. Why proper shutdown is important. Prevents data loss. Files are saved safely. Protects system files. No errors or corruption. Extends hardware life, especially your hard drive and power supply. Keeps performance smooth. Fewer bugs and crashes. Proper shutdown steps. Step 1. Save your work before shutting down. Save all files and close apps or browsers. Step 2. Open the Start menu. Click the Windows icon at the bottom left of the screen. Step 3. Click the power icon. Select the power symbol. Step 4. Click Shutdown. Choose Shutdown from the options and wait for the screen to go black. Shortcut key to shut down. You can use your keyboard to shut down quickly. Shortcut method 1. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, then click the power icon in the corner. Select Shutdown. Shortcut method 2. Press Alt plus F4. Make sure your desktop is selected. A shutdown menu will appear. Choose Shutdown and press Enter. Shortcut method 3. Press Windows key plus X. Then press U. Then U again. It will shut down instantly for laptops. Even for laptops. Always shut down through the menu or use the shortcuts. Don't just close the lid. It usually puts the laptop into sleep mode, not shut down. Go to Start menu, greater than power, greater than shutdown. Or use the shortcut keys we mentioned. What not to do. Don't hold the power button unless it's frozen. Don't unplug the device while it's running. Don't forget to save your files. Quick recap. Save your work. Use the Start menu or shortcut keys. Safely shut down. To avoid system damage, laptops need proper shutdown. To Alt plus F4 or Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete are easy shortcuts. That's it for today. Now you know how to properly shut down your computer and laptop the smart way. Like, subscribe, and follow for more ICT lessons. One click at a time. In our next video, we'll learn how to boot up your system correctly. Your ICT teacher, signing off.